Hello guys, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. Reading to for Water Sign ha, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So yung reading natin ngayon, nakafocus sa kung ano yung gustong sabihin nitong person na ito na iniisip mo na pwedeng hindi niya masabi. Okay? What's the reason behind? Bakit hindi niya masabi? Or anong gusto niya sabihin sa'yo? Alamin natin yan, water sign. Start na natin ang reading. By the way, if you want to book a personal reading, meron tayong, yung friend ko, open din siya sa pagbubook ng personal reading. Jing Tarot Reader. Pwede mo siyang puntahan, dayuhin, Calamba, Laguna. Ayan, nanggagamot din sila guys, ng kanyang asawa. Of course, spiritual na gamutan yon. And, if you want, na lang kayo sa kanya, inquire. Tapos ako, meron din akong mga available na readings. If you want to avail, pumunta ka dun sa aking TikTok shop, Unipree. Ayan, search mo na lang siya sa TikTok, Unipree. Guys, yung iba nagtatanong bakit hindi ako nagre-reply, mali po yung name-message po ninyo malamang. Kasi po, dalawa po yung, yung sa TikTok po. Meron po yung Unicorn Princess Tarot or Unicorn Princess Tarot. Yung channel na yon ay nandun yung mga videos. And then yung Unipree naman is yun yung pinaka-shop. No? TikTok shop. So, doon nga magme-message sa pinaka-TikTok shop. Okay. Let's start your reading. Sino tong person na kakonect mo? Or sino itong nasa isip mo? By the way, parang hindi ako satisfied. Kasi, hindi ko nasabi bakit hindi ako nagre-reply. Hindi ako nagre-reply doon sa TikTok na yon kasi hundreds na po yung message doon and like maya't maya po may nagme-message. Okay? Dahil marami po akong mga nag-view din sa TikTok. And hindi ko po yun masagot lahat. No? So, pwedeng natatabunan yung message mo doon. Eh, sa TikTok shop po kayo mag-message na. Lalo kung ang priority nyo is makapagpa-reading. Ace of Cups, Queen of Coins, Knight of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. The world is at the bottom of the deck. Guys, ano to ha? General. Huwag pilitin. Ace of Cups. Itong person na to, mahal mo to. Mahal mo talaga tong taong to. With the Queen of Coins could be a person who is very dominant. Who is a person who's very, stable. A stable person. May pera. May career. Maayos ang buhay. Knight of Wands, I feel like this is a person na marami siyang kayang i-offer. This person could be, I don't know, I can see a rich person. So, kung hindi man rich, pero at least man lang kaya niya bumuhay ng kahit 5 pamilya, parang ganun. And I can consider that rich pa rin. Pero, pwedeng yung stability niya is hindi mo basta-basta matitibag. Stress nga lang siya, pero kasama naman 'yun sa sa buhay, no? And this person could have a lot of business, ganyan. Ayun yung nakukuha natin dyan. And with the world could be someone na malayo sa'yo, may distance sa inyong dalawa, lalo na with the Nine of Swords, so pwedeng may pagta-travel na kailangan gawin for you to see this person. Either ikaw ay kailangan mag-ipon or siya itong kailangan mag-ipon para maisa katuparan itong pagta-travel na to. But definitely there's distance sa inyong dalawa. And mahal mo siya. The Ace of Cups. This is you loving this person. So kung itong person na iniisip mo lang wala kang pagmamahal, wala lang, this is not your reading. Kasi I can see love here coming from you. So, ano ang gustong sabihin nitong taong ito sa'yo? Ito yung energy ng pinaka-person. I also see a person who is doing funny faces. Pwedeng you're dealing with a person na medyo jolly, ganon. Magaling magpatawa, or kengkoy, ganyan, or mahilig siya mag-send or magpakita sa'yo ng mga funny faces, or kahit sa sa social media niya. Pero yung iba, kasi nga dahil sa status niya with the Queen of Coins, nakakita ko ng person na pwedeng nakainuman mo na itong taon na yun. Like, si beer. I don't know why. Nakakita ko ng alak. So, anyway. Yan. Lalo yung pagiging jolly niya, pwedeng hindi niya kasi pinapakita sa iba. Pwedeng sa'yo lang. Kasi, sa'yo siya comfortable, ganun, na ipakita. Or pwede rin namang open siya sa iba. Pero kasi, with the Queen of Coins, medyo yung status niya, alam mo yun, ayaw niya magpakita ng mga ganun-ganun kasi baka mamaya ma-judge siya dahil sa status niya. Anyway, let's move on sa messages. Ano yung mga messages or anong gusto sabihin sa'yo ng person na to? You do have your, I am terrified. Oh, why? Reach out. Okay. Sex with you. How I lost everything and I want a fresh start with you. Do you even see me that way? And the Ace of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Also, the light is also here. But in the person na to, there's an angel number. Angel number is 111. 1. At the bottom of the deck is 1. Angel number is 69, 96. Yung 69 and 96, that is an angel number also for twin flame. I see that as a twin flame number kasi it is showing as yin and yang. Some of you could be dealing with a twin flame. Okay. And 111, ayan. Actually, it's 1111. Meron pa pala tayong 1 dito sa pinaka main cards dito sa taas, which is this is the Ace of Cups. So it's also 1111. Some of you, this is a twin flame connection. Okay, so etong person na to, gusto niya mag-reach out, pero natatakot siya or may nagpipigil sa kanya. Parang ganon. And this person is, you're dealing with someone na sabihin na natin ma-L talaga siyang tao. Pero, this person, ikaw ang iniisip niya, ikaw ang tawag din. Pwedeng may mga nakakaganon siyang iba, sex. But, ikaw yung nasa isip na tong person na to, like, sex with you, this is your person na, mataas ang libido ng taong ito, pero, ikaw naman ang nasa isip niya. Diba? Parang, yeah. Fantasize ka nitong taong to. And you do have your how I lost everything. So, pagdating dito sa part na ito, pwedeng yung person mo, gusto niya ng new beginning with you, like, I want a fresh start with you, pero parang feeling niya, imposible, no? Lalo na wala siyang answer dito sa sa tanong niya na, do you even see me that way? So, yung iba sa inyo, nanonood ka dito, pero ikaw yung hindi nakikipag-connect or communicate. Or ikaw itong, maybe, you're trying to focus on other things, or hindi ka masyadong nagbibigay ng something dito sa connection na to. Okay? I can see Libra. I don't know if you're dealing with a Libra. Anong sign na ba itong aking nire-reading. Now, this is water sign, right? So, yeah. Kuha pa tayo ng mga messages. Ano yung mga gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo. Like, yung iba sasabihin, lalaki po ako, ang kakonek ko ay babae. Actually, wala tayong gender specific. Babae, lalaki, LGBTQIA+, welcome tayo dyan. With the sex with you, kahit babae siya, you're the one na ikaw ang iniisip niya. Please tell me, Spirit guys, Angel guys, what do we have here for the sign of water sign? Isang ano na lang, isang shuffle. Now is not the time. Parang may may naririnig yung radyo or background ng tugtog sa So, I don't know if you are listening to a music or yung kapitbahay ninyo nagpapatugtog ng malakas. I can hear music or radyo. Man. Not necessarily music, pero it's like random na ingay. And galing siya sa radyo or speaker. This could be your reading. Ayan. Meron naman tayong angel number, which is angel number 999. Tama ba? Oh, actually, it's 99 and 99. 9999. Ayan, 4 na 9. And you do have your person who is actually obsessed with you. I am addicted to you. So, obsessed itong person na to. Sa'yo. Lagi kanyang iniisip. Especially sexually. Like, wala siyang ibang ini-imagine kundi ikaw. And I can really see the number 69. So, some of you, pareho kayo. Pareho kayo na ganun din ang ini-imagine. Ikaw din, nag-i-imagine ka din sa kanya. Why? Because this is yin and yang. So, pareho kayo ng energy. So, maraming pagkakapareho sa inyo. If this person is being obsessed sa'yo, pwedeng ikaw din nagiging obsessed ka rin sa kanya. You do have here, you matter. And I like the color, it's pink. So, I don't know, but the way I read this matter, ang nakikita ko is yung literal na matter. Hindi ako magaling sa science, guys, pero alam ko ang tawag doon yung yung liquid, air, gas, solid. So, alam ko it's matter eh. Hindi ako magaling sa science, guys, huwag niyo kayo judge, but it's like yung energy is parang kumbaga, it's an earth sign, water sign, earth sign. Ano pa ba hindi ko nasabi? Earth sign, air sign, water sign, and air. Nabanggit ko naman. Ulyanin ako, guys. Sorry. Totoo, ulyanin ako kahit sa totoong buhay. And, wag niyo ko i-judge. Talagang yun ang placement ng aking planeta sa aking astrology. Talaga pong ulyanin ako. Because of the placement of my chart. Now, nasa na ba tayo? I am addicted to you. So, yeah, this person is thinking about you. Obsessed siya sa'yo. Kaya lang, with the time to ground yourself, and now is not the time. Maaaring ngayon, hindi siya nag-reach out dahil tinatry niyang i-ground ang kanyang sarili, or tinatry niyang mag-focus sa sarili niya, like, please give me time. I've never felt this way before. So, pwedeng, I never imagined so much perfection. So, nakikita na itong person na to that you are perfect. That you are someone na parang, hindi ko akalain na magagawa ko yun. Hindi ko akalain na mamahilin kita ng ganon. Hindi ko akalain na mag, mag, magre-risk ako or mag-iisip ako ng ganito na katulad ng pag-iisip na ginagawa ko sa'yo. Hindi ko akalain. Ganon. Nakakamoy ako ng amoy aso. Yeah. Wala kaming aso, guys. So, this could be your reading. Pwedeng may aso malapit sa'yo. And, natatawa ko sa guys, sa person na to, you're dealing with someone na ma-L talaga. Pwedeng, in the past, nagkakaroon na rin kayo ng usapin regarding doon eh. Not necessarily, pwedeng ganun, pwedeng may nangyari na rin sa inyo in the past, but some of you, usap-usap lang regarding ganun, maybe, regarding experiences sa ganun, sa sex, and you do have your sex. So, maano talaga siya, mataas ang libido ng taong ito. And you do have your maybe, hindi naman dahil yun lang ang habol niya. This person, nakakaramdam tayo ng love sa kanya, and it's a deeper kind of emotions. I think we should see other people, and I want to start a family with you. Pabago-bago isip ng taong to. There are times na pwedeng sasabihin niya, mag-focus na lang tayo sa ibang connections or sa ibang tao sa buhay natin, or let's forget about each other. And then, mamaya na naman, this person wants to start something with you. This person wants completion. This person wants to enter your life para magkaroon ng completion with you. Parang ganun, bago-bago siya. And why? Kasi, naguguluhan nga siya eh. Parang, especially, I see this card, no. Pero may times na it's on. Oh, let's get it on. Tara na, go. I-push natin to. And then there are times na, no. Wag na lang kaya. On, no. On, no. Parang ganun. Anyway, bakit ganun? I want to know why. Bakit ganun? Bakit ganun ang person na ito pa? Bago-bago. Tell me, spirit guys, angel guys. Please tell me, bakit siya nagpapabago-bago? Like, lalo na dito sa card nito, maybe. Kasi maybe is either a yes or maybe a no. Diba? Hindi niya masabi. Bakit? Bakit? You do have your think before you act. And happiness is my priority. And you do have your, I still don't have all the answers. So, alam mo bakit siya ganun? Napabago-bago siya. Maybe you're not being open. Ikaw ito na parang indecisive. Kasi, you are 69. You are yin and yang. And, kung iniisip mo ganun din siya. So, pwedeng ikaw pabago-bago ka din kasi. You want this, you want that. You want this, you want that. Diba? Ngayon, nagkakaroon ka ng internal conflict. Yung person na ito nagdamay. Lalo na kung twin flame kayo, isa lang kayo ng soul. Pareho kayo na nag-iisip na kung ano-ano. And then yung person na ito, nag-iisip din siya na kung ano-ano. It's like a tug of war between the two of you. Ano ba talaga? And yung person na ito, maaaring hindi siya magkaroon ng, parang clarity pagdating sa'yo, completion regarding sa iyo. Kasi ano ba talaga, parang, pwedeng you're not communicating. Hindi ka nakikipag-connect, hindi ka nakikipag-communicate. And, this person is, ang pinaka gusto niya mangyari, guys, ngayon, kung tatanungin mo, etong reading na ito, gusto niya maging masaya. So, kung ano yung makakapagpasaya sa'yo, yun ang makakapagpasaya sa kanya. Pero at least man lang, bigyan mo naman ako ng clarity, parang ganon. If you want your life without me, di ba, parang ganon. Kung gusto mong mabuhay, kung gusto mo ituloy yung buhay mo kahit wala ako, kasi ayaw mo sa akin or hindi mo ako pinipili, sige, go. Pero at least give me answer. And you do have your think before you act. So, yung person na to, hindi siya makapag-action. Kasi hindi niya alam kung ano nasa isip mo eh. Diba? Parang this person wants to know what you think about our connection. What do you think about us? What do you think about our spiritual connection? If ever, yung person is a spiritual person. Some of you hindi eh. Some of you, pwedeng spiritual na tao siya. But this person wants answer. And maybe you are not giving the answer na kailangan niya. Para malaman kung ano ba, itutuloy ko ba to or hindi? Itutuloy ba natin to or hindi? Yan ang bago-bago. Yeah, you are really thinking, you are really causing this person a lot of pain. Wrongful advice is here at the bottom of the deck. You are my everything. So, nakikita natin dito na pwedeng some of you, pwedeng may mga statement ka in the past wherein hindi naman talaga yun yung totoo. And you do have your I am in so much pain. I want to know your energy. Gusto kong kunin yung energy mo dito sa part na ito. Ano ba ito? Bakit ganito? Love is the answer. I am coming, trust. Tell me about this, please. You don't have your tinulak mo siya eh. Tinulak mo siya palayo. Gusto mo tandaan to, you do have I have so much desire for you, and this is at the bottom of the deck. This is the reality of what you truly feel. No, yung nasa bottom of the deck. This is your subconscious mind telling you na, oh, mahal mo naman siya, gusto mo siya eh. You desire for this person. Pero they are waiting for you. It's like you pushing this person away. Pinush mo siya palayo. Na may naghihintay sa yung iba. Parang ganun. Or ay yung mga lumabas na card, I mean what I said. So, dito pwedeng may mga bagay kang tinuldukan sa inyong dalawa na nagkaroon ng conflict or nagkaroon ng pagbabago regarding sa person na ito. Like maybe in the past, masyado siyang pinupush or masyado niyang tinutulak ang sarili niya sa'yo. Pero tinulak mo nga siya palayo eh. Siya tinutulak niya sarili niya sa'yo, but you do have your I meant what I said. Pero definitely, at the bottom of the deck, nakikita natin nagsinungaling ka. You do have your be more selfish. So, nakita natin, maybe, your energy is you are the one being selfish dito sa connection na ito. You do have your I am coming, trust, love is the answer. You do love this person. And marami kang pangako sa kanya na hindi mo tinupad, or maybe you keep you put this person in a waiting mode, parang gano'n, naka-hold siya. Kaya parang hindi niya alam eh. Parang alam mo yun, parang kumausap sa telepono na wait lang, tapos nilagay sa hold. So, yung person na ito, ano ba, ibababa ko na ba? Or maghihintay ba ako? Kasi may sasabihin pa siya? Or matutuloy yung connection namin? Parang ganun. Para kayo magkausap sa telepono, tapos nilagay mo siya sa hold. Ini-hold mo siya. Tapos siya nagdadalawang isip siya kung ano ba, ibababa niya na ba? Maghihintay ba siya? Or what? Hindi niya alam. Wala siyang clue. You know? And you are the one na nakikita natin ng selfishness pagdating sa connection nito kasi ikaw ang nag-handle. Ikaw ang may hawak. Ikaw ang naglagay sa hold. No? And I want to get the advice for you. For our water sign. Narinig ko yung air sign. Could be dealing with an air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. The advice for you, you do have your, I need more balance, and words do hurt. I am too afraid to talk to you. I want to get you drunk. And I hope you'll wait for me. I would do anything for you. Yung action dito is ano kapag lasing? Guys, I don't know kung umiinom ka ha. Pero some of you, if you're umiinom ka, ano kapag lasing ka? That is the answer. Like, that is the advice for you. Like, maybe makapag-usap ka dito sa person na to while you are drunk to tell this person the truth. Kasi may, pag nakainom, di ba, parang malakas ang loob. And mag-cause man yun ng conflict whatsoever, at least you tell all, you know, yung parang i-burst out mo lahat, sabihin mo lahat. You do have your, I hope you'll wait for me. Pero at least bigyan mo man lang siya ng clue na, ay, maghintay ka. Parang ganon. Or bigyan mo man lang siya ng communication. No? Guys, kung ikaw yung magka-comment ka, sasabihin mo, hindi, siya nga yung hindi nakikipag-communicate, connect, or what, this is not your reading. Maybe this is someone else reading or the other way around. Pwedeng itong reading na ito ay para sa kanya, sa ka-connect mo. Kasi pwedeng maging ganun. Dahil hindi naman to personal reading. So, yun. Spirit Guides is telling you na kung ano ka, kung lasing ka, are you the kind of person na parang pag lasing, uuwi na. Ganun. So, if you will leave, you leave. Ganon. Maybe, huwag mo siya ilagay sa hold. Kung talagang aalis ka, block this person. Sabi mo sa kanya, I have to go. I will leave. There's no coming back. Ayun. And then end na. Diba? So that this person can move on. So that this person, hindi siya naka-hold on sa'yo, sa connection ninyo. But if you want to continue the connection, pero you want this person to wait, sabihin mo rin sa kanya, wait lang, I need to think, I need time. And then this person, at least kahit papano, oh, may chance. I will wait. Ganon. And yeah, I need more balance. So, I feel like you need to balance your life. I-balance mo rin ang utak mo sa emotion mo. Huwag yung puro utak mo lang gumagana or ginagamit mo. Gamitin mo rin yung puso mo. Like, intindihin mo mabuti sa buhay mo. Ano ba talagang gusto mo? You have to know that. Kasi, sa buhay, maiksi lang ang buhay, guys. Sooner or later, magigising ka na lang. Teka lang, parang, ang sakit na ng katawan ko. Parang tumatanda na ako. May edad na ako. Ganto ganyan. So, you have to enjoy your life. And then, kung ano ba talagang gusto mo, ng puso mo, maybe sometimes kailangan mo rin sundin yun. Why? Kasi maiksi lang ang buhay eh. Baka mamaya umidad ka na, sabihin mo, ang dami mong pinagsisihan kasi hindi mo inopen, hindi mo sinabi, marami kang what if sa buhay mo. So, para matanggal yung mga what if na yun, you need to be more open. Okay. And you do have your I would do anything for you. And this is your person telling you na gagawin ko lahat para sa'yo. Pero, if I ask you to stay, would you leave? So, yun nga. Pag sinabi mo mag-i-stay ako, mag-i-stay ako. Pero pag sinabi mong aalis ako or leave ka na, aalis ka na, wala na, aalis din ako. So, this is your person. Kasi yung person mo, you do have your I'm ready. I'm ready sa kung ano yung sasabihin mo sa akin. I'm ready tanggapin kung ano yung sasabihin mo sa akin. But at least, mag-react ka man lang. At least sabihin mo kung may chance pa or kung wala na. kung may limitasyon na. That's it for now. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.